Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cali. What I do, baby? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I upload. Here I'm just showing you guys what my braids look like. I've had them in for less than a month, but they were just looking so crusty. Like, I could not keep these in my head any longer, okay? I just couldn't do that to myself. Now I'm putting my hair in a bun. This just makes it so much easier to take your braids out. And then I'm going to be using my scissors and just cutting off the end part of the braids. Do not cut your hair. Do not cut your hair. Be very, very careful when you are doing this step, okay? Be very, very careful. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to stick around so that you can see the pre-poo process. And yeah. To pre-poo, I will be using my African Pride Pre-Shampoo. This product has aloe vera and coconut water. The consistency reminds me of aloe, literally. I really love this product. So I'm starting by applying it to my scalp the way you would apply shampoo. And I'm just working this product into my scalp using my fingertips to lift all the dirt and all the crust Yes, the crust, because you know when you having braids, the buildup be real. Don't even play. Then I'm gonna take the rest of the product and apply it to the ends of my hair. I feel like whenever you apply it to your roots first, then your ends, it just does something, okay? And look at those curls. Look at those curls. By the way, guys, I did not speed up this clip. This is in real time, okay? This is how bomb this product is. And a little bit goes a long way, a really long way. I also like to section off my hair and really make sure I'm getting up all in there and applying the product, okay? Bam! Look at those curls. Y'all can't tell me African pride don't be coming true. Plus, this product retails for $3 or $4 depending on where you live. I think don't quote me though, but yeah, I really love this product. Now I'm going to section off my hair again and use a clip to get the hair out of the way, and I'm going in with the Pre-Poo and applying it to my scalp once again. Then I will go ahead and add it to my ends and detangle my hair. Real quick, I just want to tell you guys the importance of pre-pooing. When you pre-poo your hair, you minimize breakage, especially after a protective style. You don't want to just hop in the shower and start to shampoo because your hair could break. You could have strands that are like tangled up. You could have single strand knots. It's just not good. It really helps to minimize breakage and add moisture to your hair before you go in and shampoo. Showing you guys a side-by-side comparison. The left side of my hair has Pre-Poo and the right side doesn't. You can definitely see the difference in the shine and curl definition. Now I'm just gonna repeat the same steps on this section of my hair. I'm just gonna let the music play. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you guys. Bye.